Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to run nostalgic Windows 95, Windows 98, and Windows Me games on your PC without installing anything. First, open your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Next, type Emupedia in the search bar. Open the Emupedia website. Once the website loads, choose the theme you want, Windows 95, Windows 98, or Windows Me. Now choose any game you want to play, for example, Half-Life, Command & Conquer, or other nostalgic titles. Click on the game title. The game will now load directly in your browser without any download. Once loading is complete, the game will start automatically. You can control the game using your keyboard, just like the old days. And that's it. You're now playing classic Windows games without installing anything. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.